Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you pass defense cover 4 concept. In the beginning let's go to skills trainer and go to pass defense. Scroll down and go to cover 4. Cover 4 is a zone defense with 4 defenders playing deep zone and 3 playing zone underneath. It's great at defending deep throws and outside runs, but condenses medium routes.
Ready? Here we go, here we go! Set, hunt!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.